A child theme generator is a plugin that helps you to create a child theme for any WordPress theme without touching any code. It copies the structure of your parent theme and sets up a safe space where you can make custom changes without losing them during updates. With WP Child Theme Generator, you can do this in one click. You can customize the theme name, author, version, and more before generating. To create a child theme, just follow these simple steps. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for WP Child Theme Generator. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. You'll now see that WP Child Theme Generator is installed and active. Next, go to Appearance, then Child Theme Generator to begin. Select the parent theme you want to generate a child theme from. Enter your child theme name, author name, and description. You can also check Create and Activate to activate the child theme as soon as it's created. Optionally, you can add details like theme URL, author URL, version, license URL, and tags. Once everything is filled in, click Create Child Theme. To view your child theme, go to Appearance and Themes. And there it is, your new child theme, created in seconds using WP Child Theme Generator.